myself. But I have the basic understanding to know that when something is positively charged, it steals electrons from a cell, and that makes the cell oxidize. And remember, we don't want to speed up oxidation in our body. It's already happening naturally. So for those of you who don't understand the word oxidation, when you cut an apple open and it turns brown, that's oxidation. It's the process of degrading or degenerating or dissolving. Oxidation is when metal turns to rust. That's oxidizing. So let's take a look and see what these waters measure on the oxidation scale. Here's some Fiji water. We'll take some, and I didn't want to skew the test by testing these colored liquids, so I'm pouring some fresh samples here. And some Dansani. I think we owe it to ourselves to test the Penta, since the Penta calls itself superior hydration, patented process, energizes the water. So let's see how energetic it is. And then the soda. Let's see how the soda measures. We're going to measure, of course, our chance in ionized water as well. So I'm going to put this out in front and center because that is the star of the show. And let's have a look at these. Now, with this meter, if you see a negative symbol like you see now, that means the water's negatively charged. If you don't see the negative symbol, that means it's positively charged. Well, let's take a look at the Fiji water. And we can see here that we're positively charged and we're climbing into the positive range. All right? Let's test our Aquafina. That's about a 200 millivolt, and not much different than the Fiji water. Now, isn't that interesting? The Fiji water is from a pristine place in Fiji. The Aquafina water is from Pepsi-Cola's plant in the United States. Dansani will get just about the same results, about a 240. Now, again, for those of you who are into electronics and stuff, this is a millivolt reading, so we're reading millivolts right now. Here's our Penta water, the energized water. I hope we can all see this now. I'm not making this up. It's more oxidizing. Remember, positive charges, the higher oxidizing that it is. Negative charges, the more of an antioxidant that it is. So when something's negatively charged, it can donate electrons to cells and help them rejuvenate and become as strong as possible. Here's our soda. Whoa! You really want to drink this stuff, huh? 442, twice as oxidizing as any of the bottled waters. But I want special note that our alkaline bottled water was still oxidizing. All right, now let's test the star of the show. You see that negative symbol? And it's about a negative 215, which is right where we recommend drinking the water. Now, isn't that amazing? And again, if anybody thinks I'm skewing this, you can get one of these meters and test it out at home yourself. Now,